Hey everyone, a quick video today because quite frankly I took no trades yesterday. I wasn't at my desk too long because I had some things to do. Um, in hindsight, a couple of potential setups, but I didn't like them in real time. Thomas Wade and Mac marked one of them each. So this was the first one that Thomas marked. He had a wider downtrend than me. I had this as a down channel break new low. I wasn't really looking to go short again, but in hindsight, we had a short term channel here that does have a break new high. Maybe it would have been more um, tempted had this ticked above, but it didn't. It was equal tops, and then it half engulfed the previous bar. So Max skipped over this one. Thomas Wade had it marked. Yeah, there's arguments to take that one. I was just not looking to go short with this going down, break new low. The next one, Mac marked, but Thomas didn't. So again, arguments for and against. We have this up channel, break, and we have a second entry short. I was a bit concerned because this up channel didn't have a new high, and I got caught out on Tuesday taking a similar trade. This one's better because there is clear two legs. My mistake was taking a trade when it was one leg up and chop. And at the time, I didn't have this down channel drawn because I thought it was just on like a second leg to a new low with this one. But in hindsight, it should have been its own down channel. And we're looking for a new low, but Thomas Wade skipped it because he thought we weren't going to get another new low of this down channel. So my thinking was rational for the skip. Does work for a scalp, but not much more before it does what I was worried about and reverses. In any case, I was here until about here before this wild price action. I think that was another Donald Trump tweet, another special Trump present. But yeah, I didn't see anything else while I was at my desk. So yeah, no trades for me yesterday. Just trying to keep myself to those sure things. I have started to look at crude oil. Yesterday it got really slow, like ES, even slower. So I think there's some good movement pre-market. I think oil is more on the Chicago hours, so an hour before New York. But even still, it got really, really slow, really quick. So yesterday, didn't see anything. Potential double trap here. So first entry long, second entry long, it fails. Double trap, but yeah, that was 7:45 Eastern. So I started at, or is it? Yeah, 7:40. Yeah, 7:45 Eastern. I think it was. 8:44 my time. So I start at 9 o'clock my time. 8 o'clock Eastern, and yeah, wasn't here. And nothing else. There wasn't the previous day. There was another trade I skipped. Let's see if it's still on my chart. Don't think it is. There was a nice second entry long. This one here. So we have an up channel. I had a break, new high, but these were quite nice legs back to the EMA, and I was just doubting it because we did a break new high, and this might need another low here, this short term channel. But then I thought, when it closed so bullish, I thought, okay, I'm going to take it. But then you can see that it gapped over, and my stop order got rejected. And by the time I closed the rejection message, this was already up here. I did think about chasing it, but I'm still not too comfortable in crude oil because it does move a bit different to ES. It can be a bit erratic in its movements. But yeah, that would have been a great trade. Just looking 10, 15 ticks on crude oil. Seems to be a good target, depending on the ATR. But yeah, no trades yesterday. Thursday, Friday to go this week. I'm just going to try and take it easy, no stupid moves. Easier said than done in my experience. Still toying with the idea of using automated strategies or bots. Yeah, as I mentioned, I got some software called Trade Saber. They have some simple templates of automated strategies you can use. Simple pullback strategies. Still toying with the idea of getting a very cheap eval and trying it out. But I still feel more comfortable of really trying to find success with PATS. Now I don't know if it's a good strategy, that, or if it's a sort of, don't know, Stockholm syndrome. But yeah, I think I think I'm going to really try and focus on, with the help of Guardian Angel Trader, get my emotional management under control, and really try and find success with PATS. And above that, I've been trying to find other jobs. So I currently teach English, but I don't really like it. And like most industries, it's just so overcrowded now. It's just cooked completely, the industry. There's just so much competition from everywhere. For every student, there's about 10 teachers, and I'm kind of just tired of it now. So I was looking for more jobs. Maybe I was a data analyst before, worked in supply chain, so looking at those types of jobs as well, just to alleviate the pressure of thinking I need to make payouts. But the job market's cooked. I mean, it's just every job opening on LinkedIn within 10 minutes has more than 100 people applying for it. You're competing against people that have been fired from Facebook, Amazon, Tesla. Just, it's unbelievable. And I say this because it starts to make you feel like trading is the only option. It's like, it gives you the motivation. At the same time, it scares you. But at the same time, it does give me the motivation to try and make this actually work, because trying to go back to a traditional job after a career break in teaching English for so many years now, it's tough. It's just application after application, most of the time not even getting a response, and it just makes it feel like it's profitable with PATS or die trying at this point. So it does give me extra motivation to really respect stop losses and get my emotions in check, because if I do, I should be profitable and I could live from trading. And looking at how the job market is now, it is trading or living off my wife, because this is just, the job market is cooked completely in 2026. So something I forgot to say yesterday, that I came to the realization that trading, I don't want to say that trading has to work, but cards on the table, if it doesn't work, I don't know what else will. So extra motivation to keep stops in place, respect emotional management, and not tilt or take revenge trades to help us get to the promised land of living with PATS trading. So hopefully I'll have some trades to show in the next video. Break-even day, always better than taking a stupid loss, especially with negative risk reward. So still here fighting, still standing with this eval, and hopefully get it over the line in the next week or so. So hope you have a good day. See you next time. Peace.